Hey friends, the Coquito is a cocktail that originated in Puerto Rico and it is made by a lot of families during the holiday season, but it's also a drink with its classic flavors of coconut that can be enjoyed year-round. I know this drink originated in the Caribbean, but here in the frozen upper Midwest, this is fantastic. A couple of notes about the ingredients. We are using condensed milk and evaporated milk. What's the difference, you ask? Well, condensed milk is sweetened, evaporated milk is unsweetened. About using this coconut cream, if you live in a cooler climate like I do, during the winters, the contents of the can will solidify. So what I've done is I've been soaking this in hot water until now. If you can't find Coco Lopez where you live, just check on the recipe in the link below and I show you an alternate where you can use plain coconut milk. Now I like to use a blender for this, but if you don't have a blender lying around, you can use a pot or a mixing bowl and a whisk. Now the dedicated hardcore Coquito makers are going to make something called a tea, which is about a cup of water simmered over heat with some spices. The version I'm doing is a little bit more streamlined than that, and so what I'm going to do is compensate for that spiced tea, if you will, by using half spiced rum. Okay, because of this, I'm going to use a combination of white rum and spiced rum. Hey, are you egg curious? Because some versions do have egg in it. Now, I choose not to, but a lot of that preference comes from the Coquito you're used to having, either from your family or your friends. If they used egg, you probably like egg. If they don't use egg, you probably do not want egg. I'm not gonna use egg. All right, let's build this drink now. So we got the blender or the mixing bowl. I have here my blend of rum. This is the Coco Lopez. Now we are doing our condensed milk. This is pretty thick, so having a spoon helps. I may have just enough space in the blender here. If you've ever had Vietnamese coffee, you'll know how insanely good that is. Holy cow! I am really running it close here. All right, I have cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla extract. Woo! Let's hope this does not cause a mess. All right, let's give this a taste. So much like the homemade Bailey's video that I made earlier, this is another great drink for you to bottle up and give to your friends and family. It's getting a little messy here.
And we'll garnish this with a cinnamon stick.
By the way, if you plan to drink a lot of these, I would recommend reducing the rum a little bit because this drink is dangerous. It's that beautiful spiced coconut taste. And I know this drink originated in the Caribbean, but here in the frozen upper Midwest, this is fantastic.